Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Developer. If you are new to my channel, I request you to kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you are already a subscriber and watching my videos, I really thanks and appreciate you and I'm really happy that my videos are helping you guys. So, in my last video, I have tell you that how you can install the Eclipse IDE in the Ubuntu operating system. Now, in this video, I will be going to show you how you can install the IntelliJ IDEA, that is an IDE on Ubuntu operating system, right? So let's get started. So for that, open the App Center, Ubuntu App Center, and go to the development. And here you will see the IDE community, IDEA community. That is the community version that you can use. For the ultimate version, you can go, but that will be the paid version. I am using the free version here. So for that, the idea community will be there. So in the development, you can search for idea community, or otherwise you can go in the search app bar where you just can ID idea community, and you will be able to download the this one, the idea IntelliJ IDEA IDE. Okay, so let's click on the install. It will ask for the password. Enter that password, and it will take some time to download the ID. It will be depends on your internet connection speed. So let's wait for it to be downloaded. Yes, so now it is getting installed. Just wait for the installation of it. It may require some additional download, that's why it is taking some time. Let me pause the video for the meanwhile. So our idea IntelliJ is being downloaded and installed. So let's open that. Just click on this and continue. Send. Okay. So here you will be able to install this like this. Let's wait. Input ID is running with the enabled input method that causes disable the input method. So now the IntelliJ IDEA is being installed. From here you can customize it, or you can install some plugins, or you can directly create some project. So we do not need to install any plugin right now. So just click on the new project. It is detecting the JDK. So here you can see that it is asking for the project name. So the project name will be tutorials, and location will be the idea project, and the language will be Java. Build system IntelliJ, and version it is auto detecting it, that is 22 version, right? So this will use the 22 version by default, and just click on the create button, and it will create the application, and let's wait for it to create that application. Yes, so by default when we creating the main, it has given some predefined code. Don't worry about that code. Just let me remove all these things so that we can simply write our methods or the simple code that is printing out the hello world. So let me type s out, and it will print hello world. right? So now click on this particular file and it will give you the option for running it. It is not coming. Okay, so actually it is indexing some size. Okay, now it will be having some option here automatically, or you can just click over here. That is this icon, the current file, the main file. Just click on it, and it will build the application. And now you can see it is giving us the output hello world, right? So I hope this video clears you that how you can install the Eclipse, sorry, IntelliJ IDEA and in the Ubuntu operating system, and how you can create the project and how you can run the application into that. So thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope this video helps you. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye for now. Take care.